In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your GoDaddy website, and I promise it will only take about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect, whether you're a small business owner trying to enhance your site or just someone who wants more interaction on their webpage. Adding buttons is crucial because it helps your visitors easily navigate to important parts of your site, and it can also be a great way to improve user experience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to go to GoDaddy's website and sign in to your account. If you don't already have a GoDaddy account, don't worry. You can quickly sign up for a free one. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Website Builder section. This is the tool you'll use to create and manage the content and layout of your web pages. When you land on the Website Builder, keep an eye out for the Add section feature, which is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard. Clicking on Add section will allow you to introduce new elements like text boxes and, of course, buttons to your page layout. After clicking, you'll see a list of available sections you can add. And what you want to do here is use the search field located on the right side of your screen. Type in "button" in this field. This will filter out all the unnecessary options and take you directly to the button page setups. Now, it's time to tailor the button to fit your needs. One of the first things you should do is edit the button's text. You'll want to choose action-oriented words that encourage your visitors to click. Think along the lines of "click here" or "learn more." Keep the text short and snappy, ideally less than 25 characters, so it doesn't clutter your page. After deciding on the text, you'll need to decide where you want the button to take your visitors. If you want it to lead to another page on your website, you can select a specific page and even specify a section on that page. Alternatively, if you want to direct them to an entirely different website, simply enter the full URL. GoDaddy also supports linking buttons to phone numbers and emails. For phone numbers, you'll need to select the appropriate country code and enter the number. For emails, you can enter the address and even add a predetermined subject line or message to make communication easier for your visitors. Finally, you have the option to customize the button's appearance. GoDaddy provides some nifty choices to tweak the button's style, color, and size. Make sure your button fits in with the rest of your site's aesthetics, and it should be easily noticeable but not intrusive. And just like that, you've added a functional and attractive button to your GoDaddy website in just a few minutes. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tricks to enhance your web presence.